Hi everyone, this is Brandt. Today I'm going to talk about just a few things you may want to pay attention to if you've scheduled a newborn session with a professional photographer. Whether you're coming to me or another professional photographer, you might be a new mom that's overwhelmed, a little tired, and just wanting good baby photos. So I just want to give you a little bit of advice 24 to 48 hours before your session to just maybe avoid trying new things on your baby. If you're breastfed and all of a sudden you're switching to formula, or your formula, or you're switching to breastfeeding, or whenever there's a sudden change, try not to do it 24 to 48 hours before your session. This way you can evaluate how your baby behaves during that change. Pay attention to diaper rashes. Diaper rashes are often a sign of an allergic reaction to the diaper. My babies were all allergic to Pampers diapers and gave horrible diaper rashes, so we switched to Huggies. Whatever brand of diaper you're using, make sure to pay attention to make sure that there's not causing any rashes.